how to add end screen on YouTube video. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser, and then on the search bar, just search for youtube.com. Once you are now here, all you have to do is to go into the upper right corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. After that, make sure that you are on your account and then click YouTube Studio. After that, you will be redirected into this part. So what we're going to do here is to just go here on the content. And then once you are now here, what we're going to do is to just upload our video. So if you have uploaded your video, all you have to do is to look for it and then click the edit button, which is right here. But if you haven't uploaded your video yet, all you're going to do is to click create, which is right here beside your profile icon, and then click upload videos. After that, click select files, and then just look for the video that you want to upload. So let's say, for example, that this is the video that we're going to use. So click that. And then after that, all you have to do is to fill up, of course, the title, the description, the thumbnail, and so on. So all you have to do is to just click next. And then in this part, you will see the video elements. So in this part, you will see this add an end screen. So you can either import from video or you can just click the add button. So if you click the add button, this is what it's going to look like. So you will have these templates that you can choose. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this template right here. So this is what it's going to look like. So if you click this one, you can edit this. So you can edit the video that you want to put right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to choose the most recent upload video from your channel. So let's click on that. And then the other one below, you can also add the playlist. So to edit that, all you have to do is to click on that and then just look for the playlist that you want to put. And then in this part, of course, this is where your channel will be located. So if they want to subscribe, they will just click on your profile and then they will subscribe into your channel. So in this part on the bottom, you will see the timeline. So this is where you're going to edit when you want the end screen to pop up on your video. So let's say, for example, about the last 5 seconds of the video. So since it is 30 seconds long video, so we're going to put it right here. This under the 25. Same goes for this one. And then, of course, the playlist. So you can play around with this. So if you want to move the video, it's also up to you. So let's say, for example, we want to put it like this. And then once you are now done with this, you can also add another one if you want to. You just click the element button right here. And then just click the channel, either a link, a channel, a subscribe button, a playlist, or a video. So once you're now done with this, let's say, for example, this is the end screen that we want, just click the save button. And then once you do that, we have now added an end screen. So if you want to edit it, just click the edit button right here and then click next. And then after that, click next again. And then after that, just click the save button. After that, once it is uploaded, if we watch the video right here, so let's go. And then if we put it right here, you should be able to see it right here in the 25-second mark of our video. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add end screen on YouTube video.